Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any graduation celebration. The AOJOYS 4-pack graduation party supplies 2024 plastic graduation tablecloth.
If you're looking to make your grad party memorable, stick around because this might just be the best graduation tablecloth on the market.
Let's kick things off with what makes this tablecloth so special. It's not just any table cover, it's designed with durability and style in mind.
Made from thick, waterproof plastic, it's built to withstand whatever your party throws at it.
Whether you're celebrating indoors or outdoors, this tablecloth will hold up beautifully. Wondering where you can use this tablecloth? It's versatile enough for any party setup. Use it on your food table to keep things tidy or as a backdrop for your photo booth. The possibilities are endless, making it an essential addition to your graduation party planning checklist.
So, why should you choose the AOJOYS graduation tablecloth over others?
Here are a few reasons. Quality.
It's crafted from high-quality materials that are built to last, giving you peace of mind during your celebrations.
Value.
With 4 tablecloths in one pack, you're getting great value for your money, enough to cover multiple tables or save for future parties.
Customer satisfaction.
Backed by a 90-day hassle-free warranty, AOJOYS stands behind their product, ensuring you're satisfied with your purchase.
In conclusion, if you're planning a graduation party and want to add that extra special touch, look no further than the AOJOYS 4-pack graduation party supplies 2024 plastic graduation tablecloth. It combines durability, style, and affordability in one package, making it a standout choice for any celebration. That wraps up our review today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments if you've used this tablecloth before or if you have any questions.
Until next time, party on and celebrate those achievements.